Pretenders on brass in pocket. Well, that's not what I've got a lot of at the moment, Steve. I don't mind saying.
Got brass in pocket. Gunpowder, I'm gonna use it. Intention, I'm feeling mental. Gonna make you notice. Got motion, restrained emotion. I've been diving, detour leaning. No reason, just seems so pleasing. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody else here, no one like me. I'm special, so special. I got half some of your attention. Give it to me. I got rhythm, I can't miss a beat. I got new skank, so reach. Got something I'm winking at you. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody
That was the Temptations with Get Ready, and someone who should get ready is the Super League. Yes, today Salford Reds played Wigan in a friendly. I know it's a friendly, but when you play Wigan, the Pirates, there's no such thing as a friendly. Final score, Salford 32, Wigan 16. Yes, walloped them. Let's hope that's a thing to come for this season, because us on the Sounds of Salford will be supporting our team all the way, every game. I'm hoping to get a presenter to come in and to cover them every other game, you know, after the game and that, and give us a bit of a report. So if you're listening in Roche, make sure you get in touch, because we need to know about yesterday's game. On that note, I think we'll go to a bit of, let me see, who should go to? The Libertines. Let's throw a bit of Libertines on.
To shadow men on the violent road. Pay me for your address, no, I was so bold. I said, you see these two cold fingers, these crooked fingers I show. You wait to me, no, well, he didn't like that much, I can tell you. He said, sunshine, I wouldn't want to be in your shoes. They chased me up 2 flights of stairs, going to lift outside, said hello. But you're impossible, and it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger on show. They'll wind up like Joseph, bloody in the hole. It's just like she's in another world, you know, they suit each other, no. She never get close. Two men on the Cali road, so now they double their offer. I was so bold to say, you see these two cold fingers I know, these crooked fingers I show. Oh, use a way to me, no, but it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger on show, and he'll end up like Joseph, bloody in the hole. Just like she's in another world, you know, they shoot each other, oh no. It's not a button, never get close. Just like all in another world, how we suit each other, no. She'll never get close, that's close enough.
So keep it up,
it's Jackie Wilson with Your Love Keeps Lifting Me Higher, and so it should as well, that's all I'm saying. Right, let's see what's happening on the streets of Salford, shall we? Right, Salford Arts Theatre is to host 2 new short operas. Yes, the start date is the 24th of January. No, it's not actually. It's 2 lives, 2 deaths, and some Anton Chekhov. Yes, Williams there, knowing big words like Chekhov. It's a life stories. It's Friday the 5th of February. It's at 7:30. It's at the Arts Theatre, which is on Liverpool Street. Tickets are priced £5, £8, and if you want the posh sheets, they're a tenner. 2 acts of opera come to Salford Arts Theatre on February the 5th. Produced by Radio RIP, is an adaptation from Anton Chekhov, which sees an old homeless man recount his life, while Silent Jack features as an highwayman who tells of riches, of love won and lost as her final moments beckon. Oh, she must be a woman playing like an highwayman called Jack. I wonder if that's a bit weird, isn't it? You know, highwaymen are usually men, hence the status, highwaymen. So if you want to go down to the Players Theatre, right, it's on Kensington Walk off Liverpool Street, and like I say, it's on February the 5th, it's 7:30. Tickets are priced for £5 for the early bird, £8, and £10 if you're an old pensioner. That's more. If you want the details to book, I'll put the link on later on our Facebook page, and then you can get in there and get it before all the yuppies get in there and beat us to it. On that note, I think we'll go tonight to a bit of Puff Daddy. I'll be missing you. I'm going to throw that with a bit of Squeeze, Another Nail in My Heart. Why? Well, the cooker's broke, that's why.
This right here, tell me what goes out to everyone that has lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block of dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.